What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. Today, we're using up Willow seasoning blends. They're sweet heat. It's got a whole lot of sweet, little bit of heat. Hits you right in the back of the throat. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, some chili powder, cayenne pepper, some mustard seed, celery seed, little bit of cinnamon. Throw in something a little different for you. Like I said, whole lot of sweet, little bit of heat, hits you right in the back of the throat. Today, we use it to make some steak Acadiana. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your steak Acadiana. Some Sebastian sauces, habanero hot sauce, Willow's seasoning blend sweet heat, half of a onion, 1 jalapeno, half of a bell pepper, some thin steak, or you could substitute round steak for it, and some olive oil. Today we're using Willow's seasoning blends. They're sweet heat. It's got brown sugar, salt, pepper, garlic, mustard seed, celery seed, cayenne pepper, cinnamon. I've got the burner set to medium high. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil into the pan. Recipe calls for at least a fair amount of oil in there just to make a nice sheen on the bottom. Let that heat up for a second. Go ahead and add in your steaks. Now we're just going to brown them. We're not cooking them thoroughly right now. We're just browning. Now that they're browned, I'm going to go ahead and add in a bell pepper, our onion, a jalapeno, I'm going to throw in some of that hot sauce too. I'm going to turn it down to low. And we're going to cover it now. And let that ride for at least 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Go ahead and stir it all up. Flip your meat over. Let it go for another 10 minutes. So it's been another 10 minutes now. We're looking real good. The smell coming off of this is so good. I can smell the peppers and onions cooking down. Let's go ahead and hit it up with a little more of that seasoning. Get it all over those peppers and onions now. We're going to go for just another 10 minutes longer. And then we're going to pull it. It's been another 10 minutes. Smell coming off of this is so good. Smell those peppers and onions mixed with that steak. I can get all that cayenne and habaneros. Oh, this is going to be some good eating. Let's go ahead and make that plate now. Doesn't that look beautiful? First up, that steak. Nice and tender. Just falls apart. I can taste some of that heat right in the back there. Nice level. Not overpowering. Just right. Now let's go for some of that rice and pepper and onions. Just right. Sticks right to your ribs. So good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.